guys, Shira is here and welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Shira Zano and welcome. So guys, today's video I'm going to do something really exciting for me, and I tell you why. 3 years ago, I just did this makeup to my prom, and it's actually really crazy. I mean, a few years ago, I was following so much beauty channel like makeup challenge, like Carly Bible, Nikki Tutorial, Desi Perkins. They have been my inspiration for makeup, my inspiration for everything, because they are the queens. That's so crazy that I was watching them. Just remind me that I was the girl that was watching them, and today I have a makeup challenge. That's my own makeup channel. That's crazy that I'm saying that, because I've never wanted to imagine myself in that position that I am doing makeup videos. Now, it doesn't matter if I have 1,000 subscribers or if I have 30 subscribers, which I have 30 subscribers, but it doesn't matter, because if there's some people that listen to me, that watching my makeup videos, that listen to what I'm saying and is actually doing it like I am doing it, this is so crazy. So just remind me that a life is so dynamic. Everything could change like this. That's crazy, I don't know. I mean, that's crazy that I'm here talking to the camera and I'm talking about something that happened to me 3 years ago that actually I used to follow, and I used to see our beauty bloggers doing their makeup, and today I am doing the makeup and other people listen to me. I really just want to tell you something, guys, that if you have a dream, if you have something, some passion that you want to do that, or you feel that you are doing it, go for it. Don't think about it. It doesn't matter how old are you, it doesn't matter where you're from, it doesn't matter what is the situation in your life right now. It's matter that you need to do things for your dream. I mean, never stop dreaming, but at the same time, never stop working to achieve your dream. And I am so happy that I'm doing it. Seriously, that's the reason that I love what I'm doing. So guys, that's the time. After I talk so much, let's get into this look. Like you can see, I have a lot of breakouts on my skin, like over here and over here. Like this one is so big, oh my god. Is my big friend, really. It's a really good friend and is with me like for a few days, and I think it's gonna be a really long friendship. Please God, no. I'm using in this Bobbi Brown full coverage instant coverage. Just blend it. In this one, my favorite one for always, I'm gonna use in this Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. It's really stay in place. The number is 3-in-1 Ivory Beige, and I'm just putting on it. And then it's time for the concealer. Let's conceal all of this. I mean, that's how I used to do concealer for always. For always. And all the time doing this shape, I'm just going towards under my eyes. I think that I did a little contour to my nose, like over here, and in my smile lines, my chin. It's just a little trick when you want your face look more sharpener and more slimmer. It's a really good trick. I'm just trying to do things over here a little bit better. I mean, I don't want to recreate it the exact way, because if we will do it the exact way, it's not gonna be good, because my makeup skills wasn't good as today. So I'm gonna change things a little bit just to make them look photo and just going into it. I'm gonna use in this banana baking powder, which is my favorite for always. And just taking it up with a brush. Oh my god, guys, I swear I'm so hot. It is so hot over here, but if I turn on the fan, it's gonna be so crazy. I mean, it just drives me crazy. I don't know, I think I have ADD or something, because it's just like, it's just drives me crazy. So I'm gonna use in this beautiful eyeshadows palette, which I really think is so beautiful. Seriously, the packaging is so beautiful, like everything is gold, and look, the color is so pretty. I'm gonna use in this color, and the name is Ablaze. For this, I'm gonna use in this fluffy brush because we want it to go all over my eyes. So right now I'm gonna use in this brush, this one is MAC 530 SE. I'm using it in my crease, and that's actually the exact brush that you need for the crease. It's actually not too fluffy, but it's exactly for this shade. Use in La Palette Floreal nude eyeshadows, and I'm gonna use in this light brown, that one, just in my natural crease. This one, the number is number 5. And keeping on to my highlight, I'm gonna use in this Latte Glow eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use in a glitter shadow, so I'm going to let it be wet. Well, I need to add a concealer to this eye look, but first I need to do something under my eyes. And I'm gonna use in this beautiful blue color. I mean, this one is so beautiful, and the name is Ablaze. I tell you the truth, I'm not using usually in metallic eyeshadows. I don't know, maybe I don't have a lot of opportunities to put it on, but right now it's like a prom look, and I did it 3 years ago, so it's time to put it on. Then I'm going back to the base eyeshadows that I put the brown and the pink, and I'm just going to mix it up, and let's do this. Let's smoky the eye look. I almost forgot, you need to use in these black pencil, eye pencil under my eyes. Now it's time to keep on with the eyeliner. I'm using in Better Than Sex of Too Faced. done, I'm gonna put mascara and organize my eyelashes and I'm going back to you. Okay, so far I'm in love with this eye look. This is so beautiful and I think that I did much better than 3 years ago. So I'm using in this brush just to make a contour to my nose, and you can use it in like in bronzer or something. Just make sure that it's not too brown or too orangey, then it can be better. And for the bronzer, the brush and everything, I'm gonna use in this Smashbox palette, which I most of the videos or maybe all the videos I'm using in this palette. But how can't I? It's so beautiful. I like this so much. It's a little bit messy because I'm a messy girl. I'm gonna use in this one, and this one. I'm just going to mix the half coats. Now it's time for the blush. I'm gonna use in this pink 90. I'm gonna use in this Bobbi Brown Afternoon Glow, which is so not afternoon glow, but it's actually just giving me this natural glow. Oh my god, so beautiful. Now it's time to come back to the baking powder. I'm gonna bake it a little bit here just to finish the contour. Use for the lips, I'm gonna use in this MAC lip pencil, Staunchly Stylish. And on top, I'm gonna use in this beautiful lipstick, the Pleasure. The number is 36 and it's of Tom Ford. So this is my prom look, which I think that I did it better than the girl that did it 3 years ago. It's kind of remind me Kim Kardashian looks, which I really like, because she all the time just doing like smoky eye, which I always think is so sexy and so beautiful. And I think that I did it. I made it. Guys, I would be really happy if you let me know what you think about this video and what are you going to do for your prom. Just comment below and let me know. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and I will see you very soon. Bye!